Next part, we are going to deal with reaction by phosphorus halides. Haloalkanes can be prepared by the action of phosphorus trihalides or phosphorus pentahalides on alcohols. So, it can be prepared by the two action, that is with the trihalides and with the pentahalides. So, with phosphorus trihalides, haloalkanes are obtained when primary alcohols are treated with phosphorus trihalides. So, when primary alcohols, here you can just see the general reaction, that is when primary alcohol treated with phosphorus trihalides, that is X3, you are going to obtain haloalkane with phosphorus acid. So this will be your general formula. Now let us see the reaction equation with the example. So when chloromethane is obtained by treating with methyl alcohol with PCl3, so methyl alcohol when treated with PCl3, that is phosphorus trihalides, chloromethane is obtained with phosphorus acid. 3CH3OH plus PCl3 will give 3CH3Cl H3PO3. That is when methyl alcohol is treated with the phosphorus trihalide, chloromethane is obtained with phosphorus acid. So you can give this example. So this will be the theory for this reaction equation, and reaction equation is also important with the theory. You can analyze with the theory only, you can analyze the reaction equation. Coming to the next example, chloroethane is obtained by treating ethyl alcohol with the phosphorus trihalide. So you can give any one of the example of methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol treated with the PCl3 will give you chloroethane with the phosphorus acid. So these two are the example with the phosphorus trihalides. Next, bromoalkanes are obtained by the reaction of alcohols. Even the haloalkanes can be prepared with the reaction of halogen acids and with the reaction by phosphorus halides. But with bromoalkanes are also obtained by the reaction of alcohols with the mixture of water, red phosphorus and Br2. When these two are mixed, okay, these two are mixed, bromoalkanes are obtained. See, the function of red phosphorus and Br2 is to form water phosphorus tribromide during the course of the reaction. That's why these two are mixed. The reaction equation P4 plus 6Br2 will give you 4PBr3. So, in order to obtain bromoalkanes, what to be mixed? That is by the reaction of alcohol with the mixture of water, with the mixture of this red phosphorus and Br2, bromoalkanes are obtained. Coming to the examples here, methanol when treated with the phosphorus bromide, okay, phosphorus tribromide, bromoethane is obtained with the phosphorus acid. Okay, so ethanol, if you take the example of ethanol with the PBr3, bromoethane with the phosphorus acid is obtained. So how bromoalkanes are prepared? You can give this example. So bromoalkanes are prepared with the mixture of red phosphorus and Br2. Bromoalkanes are obtained. So the alkyl halides are obtained is excellently 80% in this reaction. That's why we can consider that the phosphorus halide method is better than the halogen acid method, because in certain alcohol such as secondary and tertiary, alcohols tend to dehydrate. Okay, alcohols will dehydrate in the presence of water, halogen acids. When they dehydrate, intermediate carbocation are formed which can undergo water rearrangement in the presence of acids. So we consider the phosphorus halides are the better method than the halogen acid method. Okay. Second method is, that is with the phosphorus pentachloride. So chloroalkanes are obtained by treating alcohol with the phosphorus pentachloride, PCl3 and PCl5. Here also the same, but here it is treated, the alcohol is treated with the phosphorus pentachloride. The general reaction, that is ROH plus PCl5, will give you what? RCl POCl3 plus HCl. You can give example for this: methyl alcohol CH3OH with the phosphorus pentachloride, methyl chloride is obtained, okay, plus POCl3 by releasing plus HCl. So you can give example for ethyl alcohol, the same. Ethyl alcohol with PCl5, ethyl chloride is obtained. So CH3CH2OH plus PCl5 will give CH3CH2Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. So these two example, any one of the example you can practice, either methyl alcohol or either ethyl alcohol for the reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. So if in the examination, no need of writing this general reaction, directly you can go for the examples. Okay, with example and theory you can write the reaction with the phosphorus pentachloride. Coming to the third, that is reaction by thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride is nothing but SOCl2. Thionyl chloride formula is SOCl2. Alkyl chlorides are prepared by refluxing alcohol with thionyl chloride in the presence of small amount of pyridine. So here alkyl chlorides, they are prepared by what? A refluxing alcohol. Refluxing means that reshuffling and all we will tell, no? So that we are going to reflux alcohol and with the thionyl chloride in the presence of what? A small amount of pyridine. So you know pyridine. What is pyridine? So pyridine, it is a biological term which is the nitrogen base used in DNA. So the small amount of pyridine they are going to use in this reaction by thionyl chloride, and this process is called as Darzon's process. I told you in this some reagents are used. So those reagents, like how in the first processes that they are using the zinc chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride, here they are using pyridine. So alkyl chlorides are prepared by refluxing alcohols with the thionyl chloride in the presence of small amount of pyridine. So this process is called as Darzon's process. Darzon, he is a scientist who introduced this process. So why pyridine is used? Why this reagent is used? It is used in the reaction to neutralize hydrogen chloride from the reaction. So HCl, it is an acidic one. So in order to neutralize that HCl, pyridine we are going to use. This is again for 1 mark question. Coming to the general reaction, that is ROH plus SOCl2. This is the thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine. Okay, in the presence of small amount of pyridine, alkyl chlorides are prepared. SO2 gas releases plus HCl. Example, methyl alcohol plus thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, methyl chloride is obtained. You can simultaneously give example for ethyl alcohol in the presence of thionyl chloride, okay, with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, ethyl chloride is obtained. So how we are going to read this reaction equation? In the first year already you have studied how to read. That is A plus B in the presence of this, you are going to get C plus D. So ethyl alcohol with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, ethyl chloride is obtained by liberating SO2 gas. So this is the method of reading the reaction equation. So this method is the best method for the preparation of alkyl chloride. Which method? Thionyl chloride method is the best method, or you can tell Darzon's process is the best method for the preparation of alkyl chloride. Why? Because byproduct of these reactions are gases and they escape readily. and hence pure products can be obtained. You can see here whatever the byproducts are there, SO2, it is in the form of water gases, and gases they get exhausted and they escapes very easily, and when they escapes you are going to get a pure product. Okay, like how here in the bromoalkanes that halides we are getting 80% of the yield, the same as in thionyl chloride. This method of preparation of alkyl chloride is the best method where we are going to obtain the pure product. Okay, so these are the three reactions which are prepared from alcohols. Okay, that is reaction by phosphorus trihalide, reaction by thionyl chloride, and reactions from alcohol. So these three are one of the methods of preparation. Next, that is halogen exchange method. In halogen exchange method, I told you we have two types, that is Frankel-Stern reaction and Schwarz reaction, and these two are called as what? A naming reaction. These Frankel-Stern and the Schwarz are the scientists who introduced this reaction. So Frankel-Stern, when chloro or bromoalkanes are treated with concentrated solution of sodium iodide in acetone, iodoalkanes are obtained. So this reaction is known as Frankel-Stern reaction. See, when anyone you can take a chloro or bromo. When chloro or bromoalkanes are heated with water, concentrated solution of sodium iodide, that is NaI in acetone, iodoalkanes are obtained. This reaction is known as Frankel-Stern reaction. This is very important reaction, as I told you. For the point of view of examination, they are going to ask for 3 marks. This is a general reaction. Rx NaI, that is with the sodium iodide, you are going to obtain. Okay, plus NaX, where I told you X you can take any chloro or bromo. Coming to the example, see, when methyl chloride CH3Cl plus NaI, okay, NaI, that is sodium iodide in acetone, if it is heated, what is obtained? Iodomethane is obtained with NaCl. Okay, with NaCl. So NaCl will be out. Next example, that is ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide with the sodium iodide. Okay, with sodium iodide in acetone. Okay, in the presence of acetone, when it is heated, iodoethane is obtained with NaBr, sodium bromide. So these two examples you can give for Frankel-Stern reaction. When chloro or bromoalkanes are heated with the concentrated, so this sodium iodide is there now, we are going to use it concentrated solution. Okay, solution of sodium iodide in the presence of acetone, when it is heated, iodoethane is formed. Okay, so sodium chloride or sodium bromide, they are formed is precipitated in dry acetone and can be removed by filtration. So what we are going to do, we want to get a pure yield now. So how we are going to remove this sodium bromide and sodium chloride? That precipitate we can dry with the acetone and it can be removed by water filtration. So in facilities, the forward reaction is also according to Le-Chatelier's principles. Again, in first year you have studied about that Le-Chatelier's principle, how the filtration takes place and how the yield is obtained 100%. Next is Schwarz reaction. This is also one more naming reaction. Schwarz reaction, fluoroalkanes are prepared by treating alkyl chloride or bromide with salts. Okay, with the salts such as mercurous fluoride. Mercurous fluoride is Hg2F2, or HGF, that is silver fluoride or cobalt fluoride or tin fluoride. So this reaction is called Schwarz reaction. So any one of the salts you can take for this Schwarz. From fluoroalkanes are prepared by treating with the alkyl chloride or bromides with the salts. Any of the salts you can use. Salts such as mercurous fluoride or any one of these salts you can use, and you can prepare the Schwarz reaction. So here see, the reaction is methyl bromide. Methyl bromide with the silver fluoride, AgF. Methyl fluoride is obtained by precipitating what? Silver bromide. When ethyl chloride is treated with mercurous fluoride, ethyl chloride treated with mercurous fluoride, fluoroethane is obtained with the mercurous chloride. So this will be the Schwarz reaction. So any one of the example you can make use, or any one of the salts you can make use. So these are called as salts. In Schwarz, so as the pronunciation says, like Schwarz, so there we are making use of what? Salts. With the help of salts, we are going to prepare water, alkyl chlorides. So this example, it holds good for water Schwarz reaction. So students, we have completed the methods of preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols and from halogen exchange method. Next class we will be studying with the physical properties and chemical properties of haloalkanes. Thank you.